Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Random Code. So in this video we are going to see what is JavaScript and where it is primarily used. This is my new channel. I am planning to create JavaScript, Node.js and React playlist. So if you want to follow, please subscribe to this channel and click the bell icon. Now let's get into the video. JavaScript is a programming language that is primarily used in the front-end side of things earlier. So mostly JavaScript is used to handle the logical part of the web page. So I want to give you an example. Let's say I'm opening Medium website. So here you can see we have a lot of navigation pages, buttons, and the post, right? So let's say if a user is clicking on a post link, we need to navigate them to the post detail page. So these logical areas are handled by JavaScript. Let's say if I click on this, see it is moving to its detailed page. This is where primarily JavaScript was used before, and JavaScript code can be only run in browser before the introduction of Node.js. You can inspect and see a console tab. Here you can directly write a JavaScript code that you and execute them. See, but we can't do the same without the help of browser before Node.js. So after Node.js got introduced, before that Node.js is a basically a runtime environment using which we can run JavaScript code without the help of browsers. So you can install Node.js by visiting this official Node.js website and download this long-term support version 1, which is mostly recommended for the most users. Once you installed Node in your system, you can just open the command prompt and you can check node-v to ensure whether you have perfectly installed the node or not, and you can simply type node to get into the eval console. So here you can basically execute all the JavaScript code that we did in the browser. See, it is working, right? So this is what JavaScript is, and in the upcoming videos I'm going to cover the basics, intermediate and advanced concept of JavaScript. Thank you for watching this video.